So now we have just created a WordPress website, and we are going to log into the admin area and see how does it look like, and the things that we should think about and look after when we are going to think about the SEO in our websites. So this is the dashboard that you are going to see when you just logged in, and the first thing to do is to go to the setting of the website, and here, as you can see, we are going to start with the on-page SEO. There is on-page and off-page optimization when we are going to work with SEO, and in this part we are going to start about talking about the on-page SEO optimization for the website. So what's the thing that we should think about when we are going to do the on-page optimization? First thing we are going to do or think about is the title. It's too important to have a title for the website, because there is many people that are missing this part. They do the most fantastic website and they miss the title of the website, and in this case the website will never rank. So if you miss the title of the website, Google or any search engine will just ignore your website because it don't have a title and will not going to rank it or crawl it so often. So think about having a title for the website, and for the slogan, the second title for the website also. Think about the meta tag also, and the HTML tags. It's too important, and the links that you are going to build in your website. This is the not the backlinks, but the links inside the website, so people can navigate to the other web pages and posts, and the same for the search engines, so they can just navigate easily in your website. And at last we are going to talk about the image optimization a little bit. So in the general setting, we are going to set our page or site title here, and our slogan here. It works like a small description or second keyword, but it's important in the title to have your keywords here. As you can see, I have cash paid surveys for the site title, and my site or my domain name is cash paid surveys also. So it's important to have the title as same as the website name or the domain name, and your secondary keyword will be here. I'm having this get paid for your opinion as a secondary keyword. So think about these two parts and set them correctly, and then these two parts here, the domain name and the link of your website, and the other stuff here is already set. You don't need to think about it, and the date format and time format, it's also set. So just think about the title and the slogan of the website. So the second thing we are going to check is the permalinks. Here the permalinks, it's how the links in your site will appear. By default, the WordPress have this /?p equal 123 or the number of the post, and this is not so beautiful, because it will be not having the keywords and the pages that you are going to create. So it's important also to set a custom structure and put the post name, because you are going to have the links or the keywords in your posts. So you don't want you want to have your keywords on the posts, and you want them to appear in the links later. I'm going to show you how this works also. So just think about it in the second place, that you set the custom structure for your keywords. Okay, and then we are going to go to the keywords on the website. So for this I am going to install a plugin that called all-in-one SEO plugin for the WordPress. Let me search for it. All-in-one SEO WordPress. Okay, and you will have it here, I think, in the first place. Okay, there we have all-in-one SEO pack. Just download this plugin and then upload it to your website. As we are going to go to plugins and then add a new plugin. Then we are going to upload the plugin and search for the file, select the file, and then just click install now, and then you will have the plugin in the plugins folder here. As you can see, here is the plugin all-in-one SEO pack, and what you need to do first time is the option configuration. You need to activate this plugin and set your details here. First thing you should do is to activate the plugin status, and here as you can see there is enabled or disabled. You set the enable because it's disabled by default, and then you set the same thing as we said before. The title of the website, you set it here, and you set the description of your website. You can set the other keyword here, or you can set custom description as you want. And here we are going to have our keywords. Now the most important thing is to have your pages in the keywords here. I am having here the page name or the domain name, cash paid survey, get paid for your opinion. This is the main keywords I am going to rank with, and the rest, let's see how do we get it. So now let us just start our game and search for players to play with, and our competitors, I respect them very much because they are hard workers, and I am going to search for my main keyword, cash paid surveys, and here we are. I am going to leave this one in the first place for it's maybe an advert. All pages or all pages in the first place usually are adverts, like the one here, ads. So I am going to take the second one and check it to see how do they rank. As you can see here, I have installed this toolbar, and I recommend that you use the SEO book toolbar for or plugin for Firefox, so you can have this handy tools, and you check the competition and the page rank and everything else. So I am going to check the page rank. As you can see, it has the page rank 3, and that tell us that they are working hard on their website to make it rank and doing some good backlinks and something like that. So it's good to go after this one and compete them. For that I am going to show the page source and search for the keywords. I'm going to see which keyword they are using. So here we have the keywords in this place. So let's see what do they have. Okay, as you can see here, they have online surveys, paid surveys, paid survey, paid market research, opinions, customer choice, focus groups, earn rewards. Okay, very nice keywords. What I'm going to do is to select all that nice keywords and take them to my website and having them as keywords beside the two main keywords I am having there, and I am going to check the backlinks later when we come to this section for the off-page optimization. So I just copied all the keywords and I have here some keywords also. I'm going just to add these keywords here. So I have added the keywords, and I have now my title, my description, my keywords ready. And it's important to have this checked, the canonical URLs. I'm going to talk about it in a little bit. And everything is set as we wanted to. Just update the options and you will have the all-in-one SEO pack is ready for your website. So we have just fixed the general configuration or options for the website. We set the title, the description, and we set the permalinks, and we have fixed the on-page SEO with the all-in-one SEO pack. And now we are going to go to another thing, to the posts.